Welcome to Hardee's. I'm here to help you place your order. What can I get started for you today?
Sure, I'm thinking maybe a cheeseburger.
Great choice. We have a delicious double cheeseburger on our menu. It comes with 2 juicy beef patties, 2 slices of American cheese, lettuce, tomato, pickles, and mayo on a toasted bun. Would you like to try that? Or were you thinking of a different type of cheeseburger? Also, may I have your name for the order?
Sure, my name is Syed, and yes, I like a double cheeseburger.
Excellent, Syed. I'm glad you're interested in our double cheeseburger. It's a great choice. Would you like to add any sides or drinks to your order? We have crispy fries, mozzarella sticks, or perhaps you'd like to try one of our hand-scooped milkshakes to complete your meal?
Yeah, I think I'll have some fries and a shake also.
Wonderful choices, Syed. Let me add those to your order. We'll include a medium classic fries and a hand-scooped milkshake. For the milkshake, we have chocolate flavor available. Is chocolate okay with you? Or
Yeah.
would you prefer a different flavor if available?
No, that's fine.
Great, Syed. I'll add the chocolate milkshake to your order. Let me confirm your complete order. 1 double cheeseburger, 1 medium classic fries, 1 hand-scooped chocolate milkshake. Is there anything else you'd like to add to your order?
No, I think that's it. By the way, do you have Whopper also?
I apologize for the confusion, Syed. I'm sorry, but we don't have the Whopper at Hardee's. The Whopper is actually a signature burger from Burger King, which is a different restaurant chain. At Hardee's, our signature burgers include the original thick burger.
Oh,
and
okay.
the
I was
bacon
just
thick burger.
thinking
Would you
that I
like
had
to
a
stick with
Whopper.
the double cheeseburger?
Yeah, I'll stick with the double cheeseburger.
No problem at all, Syed. I appreciate you asking, and I'm glad we could clarify that. We'll definitely stick with the double cheeseburger for you. It's a great choice. Now let me give you the total for your order. Your double cheeseburger, medium classic fries, and hand-scooped chocolate milkshake come to $12.47, including tax. Would you like this order for delivery or pickup? If it's for delivery, I'll need your address to provide an estimated delivery time.
Sure. I'd like you guys to deliver. My address is that's in Middletown, Connecticut.
Thank you for providing your delivery address, Syed. I've got that noted as 40. Let me summarize your complete order and details. Order 1 double cheeseburger, 1 medium classic fries, 1 hand-scooped chocolate milkshake total, $12.47, including tax. Delivery address. Please note that there's a standard delivery fee of $5, which will be added to your total. Your food should be ready in about 15 minutes. In considering your location, the estimated delivery time is approximately 30 to 45 minutes from now. How would you like to pay for your order? We accept online payment, debit credit card, Apple Pay, or you can pay upon delivery.
I think upon delivery is fine. I'll just pay.
Certainly, Syed. Paying upon delivery is no problem at all. I've noted that you'll be paying when your order arrives. Your order of a double cheeseburger, medium classic fries, and a hand-scooped chocolate milkshake will be delivered to 40. The total, including the $5 delivery fee, comes to $17.47, which you'll pay upon delivery. You can expect your delicious Hardee's meal to arrive in about 30 to 45 minutes. Is there anything else you need help with regarding your order?
No, that'll be all. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, Syed. Thank you for choosing Hardee's. We appreciate your order and hope you enjoy your meal. Your food will be on its way shortly. Have a great day and enjoy your double cheeseburger, fries, and milkshake.
You too. Thank you. So let's be real. Now, we've all been on the other end of the frustrating call, waiting forever to get through, or worse, miscommunication happens and you end up with the wrong order. Now, for restaurants, handling high volumes of orders over the phone or in-store leads to mistakes, long wait times, and sometimes frustrated customers. Now, with an AI conversational agent, for example, Hardee's can drastically reduce the HR that is needed for handling customer calls or in-person orders. Now, this means fewer employees tied up answering phones or taking orders, freeing them up to handle other important tasks like improving in-store service or focusing on customer experience. Now, not only that, AI can handle multiple orders at once, so no more long lines of customers waiting on hold, for example, right? So AI working 24/7, there's no downtime, and orders can be taken at any time of the day, which leads to increased order volumes. Now, research shows that businesses using conversational AI can see a 30 to 40% increase in customer engagement and boost sales by 10 to 15% in the first year. Now, by reducing the cost tied to manual labor and streamlining the ordering process, the ROI on AI investment is pretty substantial. Plus, customers love it, faster service, fewer mistakes, and a more personalized experience like you just saw. So, seeing long-term growth in increasing sales and customer engagement, right? But that's just the beginning. In the future, right, this AI can do even more, and we can train it the way you want, right? We can handle customer preferences, suggest meal combos, or even recommend promotions based on previous orders. And all that can be tracked. It learns and adapts, providing more relevant suggestions that would increase average order value. Now think about it, that AI-powered upselling, right, in a completely natural conversational manner. Plus, for example, Hardee's here can collect customer insights, help better marketing decisions. For example, if the AI notices a lot of customers ordering the same items on certain days, Hardee's, for example, can launch targeted promotions to give discounts to boost sales further. Now, by integrating AI with loyalty programs, right? For example, Hardee's here can drive customer retention. Imagine getting a personalized discount or rewards just for chatting with the AI customers, and they will love the extra perks and they will keep them coming back. So, for example, the AI's full potential is really looking ahead. For example, Hardee's conversationally can handle reservations, answer questions about new menu items, right? And providing instant customer support as well. Now, as AI continues to evolve, it will become even smarter, offering more tailored real-time recommendations that will further boost sales and enhance customer engagement. So, with that said, at Claydesk.ai, our conversational AI agents are solving big problems in the fast food industry, making ordering faster, reducing mistakes, and improving customer satisfaction. And in the long run, it's not just about making the process smoother, but it's about increasing the ROI, boosting sales, and engaging with customers in a whole new manner. So if you're interested in learning more about how AI can revolutionize your business, or if you'd like to see a demo of this powerful AI in action, I'd love to chat with you. You can easily book a meeting with me using the link in the description below. Just click on my Calendly link and pick a time that works for you. Thank you for watching. I look forward to hearing from you.